Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Pick List. Today we're checking out the top 10 best battery for Xbox controller to finally solve your low-power frustrations mid-game. We've tested dozens of options, from high-capacity rechargeable packs to reliable battery stations. Now here's why it matters. The right battery means no more disconnects, longer play sessions, and serious convenience. I'll break down everything from lifespan and charge time to value, so you can find the perfect, hassle-free power solution for your controller. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. NinABXY Fast 2x3600 mAh battery for Xbox controller. The NinABXY Fast 2x3600 mAh battery is perfect for Xbox gamers who demand extended playtime without the hassle of disposable batteries. Featuring two high-capacity 3,600 mAh rechargeable cells, this pack delivers superior longevity, allowing for marathon gaming sessions with fewer interruptions. Made from premium components and equipped with a rapid USB-C charging cable, it ensures a quick power boost so you can return to the action swiftly. Its sleek design integrates seamlessly with your controller, maintaining a comfortable and balanced feel during use. Whether you're engaged in competitive multiplayer or exploring vast open worlds, this reliable battery system eliminates battery waste and provides consistent, dependable power. This essential upgrade is a must-have for any serious player looking to enhance their setup with convenience and performance. Powerextra battery for Xbox controller. The Powerextra battery is perfect for Xbox gamers who demand extended playtime without the hassle of disposable batteries. Featuring a high-capacity 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery, this pack delivers up to 30 hours of continuous gameplay on a single charge, far surpassing standard options. Made from premium, durable materials, it integrates seamlessly into your Xbox wireless controller, maintaining a sleek and comfortable profile. Equipped with a convenient USB-C charging cable, it allows for quick recharging so you can return to your session with minimal downtime. Its reliable power management system ensures stable voltage for consistent controller performance. Whether you're embarking on lengthy campaigns or competitive multiplayer matches, this essential upgrade provides unmatched freedom, value, and convenience for every dedicated player. DINOSTRIKE 4X 6200 mAh battery for Xbox controller. The DINOSTRIKE 4X 6200 mAh battery is perfect for Xbox gamers who demand extended play sessions without constant interruptions. Featuring an impressive 6,200 mAh high capacity, this rechargeable pack delivers significantly longer life per charge compared to standard options. Made from premium, durable components, it ensures reliable power and consistent performance through countless gaming marathons. Its integrated USB-C charging cable offers modern, convenient recharging directly from your console or adapter, eliminating the hunt for separate cords. Equipped with a clear LED power indicator, you can easily monitor the remaining charge to avoid surprises mid-game. Compact and designed for a seamless fit, it installs effortlessly into your Xbox controller. DINOSTRIKE Pack 4 battery for Xbox controller. The DINOSTRIKE Pack 4 battery is perfect for Xbox gamers seeking uninterrupted play sessions and an end to disposable AA batteries. Featuring 4 high-capacity rechargeable battery packs, this set ensures you always have a fresh power source ready for your controller. Made from premium materials, each battery delivers a long-lasting charge and reliable performance for countless hours of gameplay. Equipped with a convenient 4-port charging station, you can efficiently power multiple batteries simultaneously, keeping your setup organized and ready. Its compact and sturdy design makes storage simple, while the LED indicators clearly display charging status. Whether you are engaged in a marathon gaming weekend or daily casual play, this essential bundle provides superior convenience, value, and freedom from constant battery purchases. NinjajoyOX battery for Xbox controller. The NinjajoyOX battery is perfect for Xbox gamers seeking uninterrupted play and freedom from disposable batteries. Featuring a high-capacity 2,550 mAh rechargeable cell, this pack delivers up to 40 hours of continuous gameplay on a single charge, ensuring your marathon sessions are never cut short. Made from durable, premium materials, it integrates seamlessly with your Xbox controller for a secure and comfortable fit. Equipped with a convenient USB-C charging cable, it recharges quickly and efficiently, getting you back in the game with minimal downtime. Its reliable performance and long-lasting build make it a superior and eco-friendly alternative to standard batteries. Whether you're engaged in competitive multiplayer or exploring vast open worlds, the NinjajoyOX battery is an essential upgrade for any dedicated player. KEKUCULL battery for Xbox controller. The KEKUCULL battery for Xbox controller is perfect for gamers seeking uninterrupted play and reliable power. Featuring a high-capacity 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery, this pack delivers extended gameplay, significantly outlasting standard AA batteries. Made from premium, durable materials, it is equipped with built-in protection circuits to prevent overcharging and short-circuiting, ensuring safety for both the battery and your controller. Its sleek design integrates seamlessly with your Xbox wireless controller, maintaining a comfortable, balanced feel without adding bulk. The included USB-C charging cable allows for quick and convenient recharging, even while you play. Whether you're engaged in marathon gaming sessions or casual play, the KEKUCULL battery provides essential, long-lasting performance, making it the ideal upgrade for any dedicated player. NinABXY 2x5520 mAh XS battery for Xbox controller. The NinABXY 2x5520 mAh XS battery is perfect for gamers seeking to eliminate the hassle and cost of disposable AA batteries. Featuring two high-capacity 5,520 mAh rechargeable battery packs, this set provides exceptionally long playtime, significantly reducing how often you need to recharge. Made from premium, durable materials, each battery is built for longevity and reliable performance through countless charging cycles. Its included compact charging cable allows for convenient recharging directly from your console or a USB port, ensuring one pack is always ready while you use the other. Whether you're engaged in lengthy multiplayer sessions or immersive single-player campaigns, this essential upgrade offers superior convenience and value, making it the ideal power solution for any dedicated Xbox Series XS controller user. Ponkor battery for Xbox controller. The Ponkor battery for Xbox controller is perfect for gamers seeking extended play without constant interruptions. Featuring a high-capacity 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery, this pack delivers up to 30 hours of continuous gameplay on a single charge, far surpassing standard AA batteries. Made from premium, durable materials, it integrates seamlessly with your Xbox wireless controller, maintaining a sleek and comfortable profile. Its included USB-C charging cable ensures fast and convenient recharging, allowing you to power up quickly between sessions. This reliable battery pack eliminates the waste and expense of disposable batteries, providing consistent power for marathon gaming. Whether you're immersed in a lengthy campaign or competitive online matches, the Ponkor battery is an essential upgrade for any dedicated Xbox player. Ukor battery for Xbox controller. The Ukor battery for Xbox controller is perfect for gamers seeking extended playtime without the hassle of disposable batteries. Featuring a high-capacity rechargeable design, this battery pack provides up to 30 hours of continuous gameplay on a single charge, ensuring your sessions are never cut short. Made from durable, premium materials, it integrates seamlessly with your Xbox controller for a secure and comfortable fit. Its included USB-C charging cable allows for quick and convenient recharging, whether you're playing or during downtime. Equipped with advanced safety protections, it safeguards against overcharging and overheating for reliable, long-term use. Whether you're engaged in marathon gaming weekends or daily competitive matches, the Ukor battery delivers dependable power, making it an essential upgrade for any dedicated player. OIVO battery for Xbox controller. The OIVO battery for Xbox controller is perfect for gamers seeking to eliminate the hassle and cost of disposable AA batteries. Featuring a high-capacity 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery pack, it provides up to 30 hours of continuous gameplay on a single charge, ensuring your sessions are never cut short. Made from premium, durable materials, it integrates seamlessly with your Xbox wireless controller, offering a secure fit without any added bulk. Its included USB-C charging cable allows for convenient recharging from any compatible port, whether you're playing or your controller is at rest. This reliable power solution delivers superior performance and incredible value, making it an essential upgrade for any dedicated player who demands both freedom and longevity from their gaming gear.